Daily English Talks.
Do you want to speak English confidently in daily life? Let's practice together.
A calm conversation that built fluency. I noticed that your English sounds much smoother today, and you seem much more relaxed while speaking with me.
Thank you, because I have been practicing every evening without putting too much pressure on myself to speak perfectly.
That is actually a very smart method, because fluency grows faster when conversations feel calm and natural instead of stressful.
I used to stop speaking every few seconds because I was always worried about making grammar mistakes in front of people.
Many English learners feel that way at first, but confidence slowly appears when you continue speaking without fear.
Last month, I decided to focus more on communication and less on trying to create perfect sentences every time.
I can already hear a big difference because your ideas flow more naturally and your pronunciation sounds more comfortable.
That makes me happy because I finally feel like I am expressing my thoughts instead of translating every word in my head.
Translating less is an important step because it helps your brain react more quickly during real conversations.
I realize that when I listen carefully and answer slowly, I can speak more clearly and feel more relaxed.
Speaking slowly is not a weakness because many fluent speakers naturally speak at a calm and comfortable pace.
I think I improved after I started having short conversations with myself while walking home from work every day.
That is an excellent habit because regular speaking practice trains your mind to become more familiar with English patterns.
Sometimes I describe the weather, my daily schedule, or even the food I plan to cook for dinner later.
Those simple topics are very useful because fluency often develops through ordinary conversations about daily life experiences.
Before this, I thought fluency only came from studying difficult grammar books and memorizing long vocabulary lists.
Grammar is helpful, but natural communication becomes stronger when you combine learning with real speaking practice every day.
I also started listening to calm English podcasts during breakfast because they help me understand natural expressions better.
Listening regularly improves your speaking because your ears slowly become familiar with pronunciation, rhythm, and sentence structure.
At first, native speakers sounded extremely fast to me, but now I understand much more than before.
That shows your listening skills are improving steadily, and better listening usually leads to more confident speaking abilities.
I still make mistakes sometimes, but I no longer feel embarrassed because mistakes are part of the learning process.
Exactly, because every mistake teaches something valuable and helps you become a stronger and more flexible communicator over time.
Yesterday, I had a small conversation with a tourist at a coffee shop, and surprisingly, I stayed calm the whole time.
That sounds like a wonderful experience, because real conversations are often the best way to measure your progress naturally.
We talked about travel, local food, and favorite places to relax in the city during the evening hours.
Those kinds of conversations are perfect because they are simple, friendly, and filled with useful everyday vocabulary expressions.
I noticed that the more relaxed I felt, the easier it became to remember words and continue speaking smoothly.
Stress often blocks fluency, so staying calm allows your mind to organize thoughts more naturally and clearly.
That explains why I speak better when I feel comfortable instead of trying too hard to impress other people.
Communication is more important than perfection because people mainly want to understand your ideas and emotions clearly.
My biggest fear used to be silence, because I thought pauses meant that I was failing as a speaker.
Small pauses are completely normal, And even fluent speakers pause sometimes while thinking about what they want to say next.
Hearing that makes me feel relieved, because I always compared myself to people who spoke English perfectly and quickly.
Comparing yourself too much can slow your confidence. So it is healthier to focus on your personal improvement journey.
I can now hold longer conversations without feeling exhausted, and that feels like a huge personal achievement for me.
You should feel proud because steady progress built through patience is often stronger than quick improvement that disappears later.
Another thing that helped me was reading short stories aloud, because it improved my pronunciation and speaking rhythm naturally.
Reading aloud is very effective because it trains your mouth to produce English sounds more comfortably and smoothly.
Sometimes I record my voice and listen carefully so I can notice which words still sound unclear or unnatural.
That is a smart technique because self-listening helps you recognize areas where you can improve without feeling discouraged.
I used to avoid hearing my own voice in English because it sounded strange and unfamiliar to me.
Almost every learner feels uncomfortable at first, but confidence grows when you continue practicing and hearing your own progress.
Now, I actually enjoy listening to old recordings because they remind me how much my speaking has improved recently.
That kind of reflection is motivating because it shows that small daily efforts eventually create noticeable and meaningful results.
I think fluency became easier after I stopped expecting immediate perfection and started enjoying the learning experience itself.
Enjoying the process is extremely important because relaxed learners often stay consistent and improve more naturally over time.
My next goal is to have longer conversations with international visitors without feeling nervous or losing confidence halfway through.
You are already building the skills needed for that because your speaking sounds calm, thoughtful, and increasingly natural now.
Thank you for encouraging me, because supportive conversations like this make practicing English feel much more comfortable and enjoyable.
Positive conversations create a safe environment where learners can experiment with language and grow without unnecessary fear or pressure.
I finally understand that fluency is not about speaking perfectly, but about communicating clearly and confidently with other people.
That realization is powerful because true fluency comes from connection, understanding, and the ability to express yourself naturally.
I feel much more motivated now because I can see real improvement instead of only focusing on my weaknesses.
Motivation becomes stronger when progress feels visible, and your calm practice routine is clearly helping you succeed steadily.
From now on, I want to continue speaking English every day, even if the conversations are short and simple.
That daily consistency will help your fluency grow naturally because regular communication builds confidence little by little over time.
I never expected calm conversations to improve my English so much, but now I understand how valuable they truly are.
Calm conversations create space for clear thinking, natural speaking, and genuine confidence, which are all important parts of fluency.
I am excited to continue this journey because speaking English finally feels peaceful, meaningful, and enjoyable instead of stressful.
That peaceful feeling is a wonderful sign because it means you are no longer just studying English, but truly living it.